Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. So I am Steph Barron and today I'm going to be doing a Primark haul on their hair masks. So I've got 3 of the hair masks here today. They are £3 each and they are basically for hydrating dry damaged hair. So if you want to see how this video turns out, then stay tuned. So I have got these 3 hair masks that I'm going to be trying out. I'm obviously just going to be doing one of them today, but the 3 that I have got is a hydrating hair sheet mask, which is for dry hair. This is the sort of purpley one, well, the dark purpley blue one. And then I've got nourishing hair mask for dry hair with split ends, which is this little lilac one. And then I've got the blue one, which is for fried out hair. That's definitely me. Replenishing hair mask for frizzy damaged hair. So yeah, taking all this into consideration, I think I'm going to go for this one because fried out is well and truly me. Obviously, if you're blonde like me and you have bleached the living life out of your hair, yeah, you'll probably have fried out damaged hair too. So yeah, we're just going to give these a wee go. It is like an actual hair mask, so it's a printed hair sheet mask cap that's got loads of little fries on it. So yeah, I'm excited to do that. Give your mane a glow treatment with this incredible hair mask formulated with a blend of nutrient oil rich hair oils and botanical extracts. The cap works to isolate the heat and conditioning essence, penetrating deep into the hair follicles. The result: smooth, shiny, healthy locks for up to 7 days. Ooh, enriched with coconut oil too. So yeah, I'm excited to use that. So it basically says that I've got to shampoo my hair first. After you've shampooed your hair till dry, open the hair mask and pop it on like a hat, ensuring that your hair is covered, fastening the tab. Gently massage. It allows the hair and scalp to fully absorb the product. Keep the oh my god, I can't speak. Keep the mask on for 15-20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water, followed by conditioner for the best results. So let's find out how good this little fried out baby is. So guys, I have now washed my hair and I've just shampooed it. So now I'm going to towel dry it a wee bit. I have dried it a little bit already. And then I'm going to use my wet brush to just detangle. Oh, that looks so good. I'm just going to towel dry it and then detangle it a little bit with, oh my god, the most amazing brush ever, the wet brush. So I always just hold on to the ends and then brush all the way through. Obviously I've got my Lady Luxe extensions in, so extensions always do tend to get like a little bit more dried out, so it's always good to have like a little conditioning treatment and nourish your hair. So I'm hoping that these Primark masks are going to be good. So I brushed up my hair, I'm just going to towel dry it a little bit more. Just to make sure that it is not soaking wet and like drip drying. Right, so I'm going for the fried out one. And open it up. So let's see what's going to happen. Smells nice. Ooh, so this is it. This is my little mask. Right, okay, so my little cap. So the cap is here and I can feel all the product is like in here. Ooh. Oh my god, it smells so good. I love the coconut smell. The last video that I did was on the Primark coconut shampoo and conditioner, the argan one. Oh my god, which is so good as well, which is why it made me want to test out these masks as well. So let's see how I'm going to do this. I'm just going to try and lift my hair up and then put it in a little bun. Then I'm just going to put this cap on my head. Let's see if I can move this camera out a little bit. And just hope for the best. Right, okay, it's on. It is on. So there's a little sticky tab. I don't know if this is meant to go around the front. I actually look ridiculous. Yeah, don't do this in a shop window where there's loads of people driving past and can see you. Hi, there's another one. Right, what is going on with this tab? Should have worked out how to do this tab before. Oh, okay, maybe it comes off this way. Right, I've got it guys. So there's a sticky tab. Oh yeah. So there's a sticky tab that you actually just have to peel off. Like this. So you peel it off. Pull the mask tightly so that it's right on your head. And then just stick it up. And then this is me. And it basically says I have to massage the mask into my hair. So I'm basically just squeezing. I'm just squeezing the ends of my bun. And I'm just like mashing it all around so that I can get all the product into my hair. God, I didn't even realise I was meaning to match this and this, but I'm absolutely matched up and looking fab. So yeah, need to just leave this on for 15-20 minutes and then we'll rinse it off and we'll see how it feels afterwards and how conditioned and nourished my hair is. Right, so I am now going to rinse this mask off. I've just been sitting with it on for about 17 minutes I'm on just now, so you can leave it up to a maximum 20 minutes. I'm sure you probably leave it for longer than that as well, and I've just been massaging it into my hair. But yeah, I'm just going to rinse it off now and then dry it all and then let you see what the results were and what we think of the Primark mask. But sorry, can I just add how much of a potato head I just look like? I'm just like, why am I like just a potato? Like what the hell? Moonhead. Like, yeah, do this in the comfort of your own home where no one can see you. Unlike me, where the street is just on show here and the street is just on show here and people think that I'm extremely weird with this on my head. Right, okay, so now I'm back and I have just rinsed off the mask. As soon as I rinsed off the mask, my hair literally felt like silk, like it was so amazing. So it did say to do a conditioner, so I just used a little bit conditioner just to give it a little bit extra nourishment. So it was also Moroccan oil shampoo and conditioner that I used because it's all the sulfate-free products that I use on extensions to help keep them nourished and everything. This isn't actually sulfate-free, but it is like an enriching conditioning treatment and it is £3. So maybe to do it, you know, once in a blue moon for your extensions, but definitely all the time for natural hair. So yeah, use that one. And basically I am now just going to towel dry my hair and I'm going to brush it again with my wet brush. I'm going to dry it off camera because I don't want to bore you with my blow drying. And I've actually got a tutorial that's on blow drying and hair extensions, so check that one out if it's blow drying you want to see. But oh my god, this is actually just gliding through. Like it feels so good. So yeah, I'm just going to blow dry my hair and then let you know how the results were. But so far it is just gliding through. It's like unbelievable. So yeah, I'll let you know off camera how it turns out. So guys, I have obviously done my mask and I have blow dried all my hair and all my extensions and they actually feel really good. They feel really soft. I did say that when I rinsed off the cap to start with, I was like, oh my god, these feel absolutely amazing. My hair did feel so good. I would say that my hair tangled a little bit more when I was blow drying it, but yeah, no, it's totally fine now. The only downside I would say to the mask is that it's taken quite a lot of my silver shampoo, so my hair is maybe a bit more yellow than it would usually be. So I would recommend for anyone that was going to be using those masks that does do like a silver shampoo to shampoo and then do the mask. No, shampoo, then silver shampoo, then do the mask, then do the conditioner. Whereas I just shampooed, did the mask and then did the conditioner, so I think that it's just kind of taken any sort of silver shampoo that I had on out, whereas if you've just done a silver shampoo before and then you put the mask on, it's not going to take as much out because you've just fed your hair with a lot of silver shampoo. So that's what I would recommend, and that's the only downside I would think. Apart from being a little bit tangled, but sometimes I think extensions can get a bit like that. These are relatively new, so it shouldn't be tangling, and sometimes it's just because I've got so much hair and it's hard to get through and brush out. But I did use my good old trusted wet brush, which is full of my hair. So nice. So yeah, I always just like brush through with that, but yeah, no, my hair feels amazing. Like, I haven't straightened it, I've literally just blow dried it straight, and this is my final look. And yeah, those masks are £3, which is a good bargain for a little hair mask, a little hair treatment. In salon we charge £15 for our hair treatments. Olaplex treatments are 25, so you know, to do a do at home hair mask to make your hair feel really soft and smooth, £3, it's really, really good. So if you want to see any more videos, then please feel free to suggest some videos to me. If you want to see more Primark products, if you want to see more in salon products, I'm more than happy to test out some products for you and let me know. So please subscribe below. And yeah, keep me updated of any other videos that you want to see. So I really hope that you loved my tutorial on the Primark hair masks. The reason I haven't actually straightened my hair is actually, one, I don't actually think that it really needs it. Like, I would basically be able to go the rest of my day today with just like a smooth blow dry. But the reason I haven't straightened it is because I'm just about to make another little tutorial on this Babyliss Pro 3-barrel waver, which I can't wait to show you. So yeah, if you want to see this video, then click on to my next video and then you can see the Babyliss waver. Can't wait.